No, she knows what to do.
And I have been using this for almost 10 years now. Very thoughtful, Alvin. Thank you.
Yeah, the look on your face says it all, babe.
Oh, nicely done, Theodore. To the dog.
She doesn't know what to do.
It says, Merry Christmas, love, Theodore. And it's got a nice picture of pineapples.
Julia, look! Look! Biggest tear.
Look, fellas, let's make sure we
Look!
understand each
Look!
other. I'm not your, your dad, right?
It's too watery.
You're like it, Dad.
You want it?
Well, not really. I mean, we're friends for sure.
Open the
I
mouth up.
write your music, manage your career.
You make us sweaters, t-shirts, let us sleep in your bed when we have nightmares.
That's what friends do. So, who wants to open their presents?
Is that a trick question? We do!
I don't know if she's ready. She won't get that tongue out of the way.
They're savings bonds.
Cool.
In 7 years, you can get buy yourself something really nice.
Do you really have any that you bought 7 years ago? Ow. Thank you, babe. Yeah. Thanks, babe.
I'm gonna try to think of another one more. Go.
All right. Hey, there's plenty more where this came from. Bring them on in, fellas.
What are you doing? Take care of my boys, Dave.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, weird. What happened to your presents, guys? Which one's mine? That big one. Oh, yeah, I think.
What'd you get him?
Savings bonds.
Great. What every kid dreams of. Well, you're in luck.
Yeah.
Uncle Lee and James Clear.
Oh.
Uncle,
Look.
is this for me?
No, it's for mine. Theodore.
She's not interested. She doesn't even care.
Alvin.
Thank you, Santa.
This is for you.
There you go.
She took it.
That's how you do it.
Hey, guess what, guys?
Yeah, look.
Uncle Ian is going to
Bug.
have a big launch party for the new
You want it?
CD. That's right. Press, paparazzi, Hollywood hotshots,
You want it?
whole 9 yards.
Here, Bug.
Yeah. Dave's got one.
Get the tongue down.
Write me a new hit single. All right? Funky fresh, okay? Hey, we
You
out.
want to hold the spoon? Here.
Merry Christmas.
Now it really is Christmas. Whoa.
Can you get it to your mouth?
All right. Settle in. Thanks for coming. It is a very special night tonight. Here at Jet Records, we pride ourselves on bringing you tomorrow's music today. Oh, and guess what? I did it again. Ladies and gentlemen, here to sing their new hit single, Give It Up for Alvin, Simon, and Theodore!
Come here.
She'll see whatever.